Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This is the first video of the 2022. So I'll try to start strong because it's quite a while since I posted the last video, and I think people starting forget about me. So I'll try to post more often. And yeah, that being said, today I want to do some retail arbitrage. It's a Saturday morning. I feel pretty good. Um, the weather is not very good. It's raining outside, but yeah, anyway, I'm trying to go to source some products and to see how it's going because usually in January the year it's slow. It's beginning year, so people doesn't buy too much, and I find some good bargains and yeah, to resell on Amazon. So also I want to say my office is finished finally. I have an office space. Yeah. So since now I was shooting video in my kitchen and also now in my living room and yeah, and outside. So now I'll have this office. I'll try to shoot some proper videos inside here. So make sure to subscribe to see all the future videos. Okay. So hit now. So also the last video I was showing you, I was having the house in construction. Now finally it's finished. That's why I have my office space. So this is like where I keep all my storage inventory. So look at here how much stuff I have. A lot of stuff. It's not selling yet so much because it's kind of seasonal stuff. This is selling on the summer more. So yeah, I have to wait still 2-3 months to finish. I mean, to start selling it. So in probably 2-3 months will start selling. So now, yeah, I'll sit on it. It's one of the kind of, I can say, disadvantage of the business model that I'm doing. But who cares? If nobody cares, why? So yeah, now I have, look, what you doing there? My dog. He's yeah, he's a security up there. Okay, so now I'll go to trying to find some products today to see what I can find to sell anytime soon. This is for the summer. I live up there. Also, guys, if you didn't notice, I've got a new car. New. It's mean another one, not new. I don't buy new cars, but it's good. I've got a good deal on the other one. I resell it for a profit, and it's one of my strategy because, as you can see, I always have an estate car, or it's something with seven seats, something big that I can carry a lot of stuff. So if I can buy it for cheap and have a chance to resell it for more after use it, like, I don't know, 6 months or something, I'm good. Otherwise, I'm not gonna buy it at all. So there's plenty of dealers of cars out there, but yeah, anyway, it's beside of today's subject. Also, guys, I want to tell you that lately I was like searching YouTube for a video idea and stuff like that, and I find some other guy that do what I'm doing, and I find a really curious niche. So they sell video games, which I was thinking it's not really possible. I mean, it's possible, but you don't make any profit. You don't do any stuff of that. So what I'll try next, because I never sold any video games, at least on YouTube, on on Amazon, and I find those guys they doing on Amazon. So my strategy is a little bit different, but if it's working, it's working. But I was thinking it's not possible to sell video games, but apparently it is. So from now on, maybe I'll try to go to some of those I don't know, those shops where they take in used video games. They take in, they sell, whatever. And I'll try to find if I can find any bargain there and try to resell it on Amazon to see how good of a strategy it is. I find some guys, they make like really good money doing that. One another thing, it's because it's not in my circle of competence, so I've no really idea how to evaluate games. I mean, yeah, it pretty much can be the same like any other product, but sometimes I don't know. I never saw it, so I have to learn about this niche before I jump in like a blindly. But yeah, I find out what other people do it, and I mean, the weather here in London, it's terrible. Oh, look at this. Costco build a petrol station here. Nice. This is nice. Yeah, I still have more than half tank, but yeah, when it's finished, I will fill it up here. I'm inside here, and yeah, I've been going around a little bit, and it's not too many products. I was expecting for more. Actually, I find something like this one, and at Costco it's £480, and on Amazon it's selling actually for 470. So basically, it's £10 cheaper than the Costco. So yeah, also, yeah, it's like product like this I'm looking for, and I think those guys that selling it, because none of them it's Amazon, it's only sellers. So basically, I think those guys, they drop shipping this product, so I don't know, stuff like that. But I'm struggling to find any product that I actually can make any profit. I don't know why. There is no product. Sometimes this is the cost of like doing business. You're not gonna find nothing, and I think it's one of those days where there's nothing to be found. Now I find only one product that technically I can make profit, which is this slum bags, I don't know the real name. Yeah, this brand, Hook Fun. And yeah, it was a product that I actually really selling, and it's profitable. But the problem is, which I don't like, there are too many. You see, it's full. There are like 40 units, so that basically there'll be other sellers on Amazon that actually sell this from Costco as well, so I have to compete with them. And yeah, when it's too many sellers, there's not too much profit to be made. On my calculation, I should make like £7 per item, but £7 per unit is not really worth my time. So, and I mean, yeah, but depends from the sell price and percentage, because it's selling for 33.50 and I can resell it for 54, so that's why it's only £7, and only it's like £7 to ship. So yeah, not really worth my time. So I think it's pretty much dead. It's not any product that I can find out now. Bad, very bad. we're starting the year with the left foot. So look at this. I like this product. This is nice and soft pillows. Maybe I should take one for myself. So this is another product that I may consider selling. It's a speaker, but it's a Bluetooth speaker. So it's 95, almost 100 pounds here. But I have very bad experience selling speakers. So the rate of return are high, and here it's only 95 pounds, and on Amazon it's selling for 130 now. So it's not enough profit margin, and also it's risky because people, what they do is they buy it, use it for 1 month or so, and they can return it in 2-year period because it's under warranty in 2-year period, and you have to or replace it or refund it. So it's what people do with speakers. So nah, it's not worth my time. And I don't say everyone is doing that, but at least 30 to 40% they are returned because of this reason. Maybe they have a party or something and they take it for that occasion, and after that they return it. So, and you lose because it's a new product. It's not anymore new. You can't sell it anymore as new. And if for example Amazon catch you, because obviously you can put on resell, but if Amazon catch you that you sell used product that's new, they can suspend your account. So it's not really worth my time, my money, my stress, and do the customer service and everything. So, and also it makes me mad when people they just destroy your stuff and return it. Is what is it? There's nothing you can do. The only thing you can protect from this, don't sell this product, and that's it. Okay, pretty annoying. I didn't find nothing to resell. When I enter in the Costco, they won't let me in because I didn't have the mask, so I have to go back to buy a mask. Funny thing is that on the restaurant there, the one where they're selling food, obviously people have to eat, but nobody wearing mask there. So the nonsense, to me, it's incredible. Anyway, because I didn't find nothing in this Costco, I presume on the other one will be same, nothing. So I think I'll end this video here. Yeah, a little bit disappointing, but is it what is it? Or maybe other people that doing the same thing that I do, they find the product and they take it them all. I don't know, but for me it didn't work out today. So I will do other video, and when I'm trying to find some other products. Also, hopefully you enjoyed. If so, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And yeah, if you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links in the description. So thank you very much, and yeah, happy new year, happy 2022. You are in the new year. Salute you, bye.